topic molecularity and order of reaction from chapter chemical kinetics. First of all, we define the molecularity of reaction. Molecularity of reaction can be defined as the total number of reactant molecules take part in chemical reaction in its rate determining or slow step. This is the example PCl5 equal to PCl3 plus Cl2. The molecularity of that reaction is 1. Molecularity of that reaction is 1. Number second, 2HI equal to H2 plus I2. The molecularity of that reaction is 2. Next one, 2SO2 plus O2 equal to 2SO3. Molecularity of this reaction is 3. Next one, 4HBr plus O2 equal to 2H2O plus 2Br2. It seems, ऐसा लगता है कि इस रिएक्शन की जो मॉलिक्यूलरिटी है 4HBr plus 1O2 equal to 5, but it is not correct. इस रिएक्शन की जो मॉलिक्यूलरिटी है 5 नहीं है. ऐसा लगता है कि इस रिएक्शन की मॉलिक्यूलरिटी 5 है 4HBr plus 1O2, बट मॉलिक्यूलरिटी 5 नहीं है. तब मॉलिक्यूलरिटी हम कैसे निकालेंगे? मॉलिक्यूलरिटी ऑफ दैट रिएक्शन इज द नंबर ऑफ रिएक्टेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स टेक पार्ट इन केमिकल रिएक्शन इन इट्स रेट डिटरमाइनिंग स्टेप और स्लो स्टेप. तब हम इसकी मॉलिक्यूलरिटी निकालने के लिए इसकी मैकेनिज्म लिखेंगे. मैकेनिज्म ऑफ दिस रिएक्शन. Mechanism of reaction is HBr plus O2 equal to HOOBr. That is the first step. Second one, HOOBr plus HBr equal to 2HOBr. That is second step. And HOBr plus HBr equal to H2O plus Br. That is the third step. On balancing the chemical equation, इस chemical equation को balance करने के लिए we have to multiply by 2 the third equation, and it will be on cancellation the overall equation will be 4HBr plus O2 equal to 2H2O plus 2Br2. That is the overall equations. We know that for finding the molecularity we have to find the slow step. The first step of reaction is slow step or rate determining step. और फर्स्ट स्टेप में देखें जरा 1HBr and 1O2. Hence the molecularity of this reaction will be 2. इस रिएक्शन की मॉलिक्यूलरिटी क्या होगी? 2 होगी. इट मींस इससे क्या प्रूव होता है? हेंस प्रूव दैट मॉलिक्यूलरिटी डिपेंड्स अपॉन द नंबर ऑफ रिएक्टेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स टेक पार्ट इन केमिकल रिएक्शन इन इट्स रेट डिटरमाइनिंग स्टेप और स्लो स्टेप ऑफ द रिएक्शंस. नंबर 1. नंबर नेक्स्ट अबाउट मॉलिक्यूलरिटी. इसका मतलब यह है मॉलिक्यूलरिटी इज द molecularity molecularity is theoretical value. मॉलिक्यूलरिटी क्या है? एक थ्योरेटिकल वैल्यू है. नंबर नेक्स्ट, मॉलिक्यूलरिटी कैन नॉट बी. क्या नहीं हो सकता? मॉलिक्यूलरिटी जीरो नहीं हो सकती है, निगेटिव नहीं हो सकता है, और फ्रैक्शन नहीं हो सकती है. मॉलिक्यूलरिटी फ्रैक्शन नहीं हो सकती है, इनफाइनाइट नहीं हो सकता है, और मॉलिक्यूलरिटी इमेजिनरी नहीं हो सकती है. नंबर नेक्स्ट, molecularity cannot be greater than 3. किसी रिएक्शन की मॉलिक्यूलरिटी 3 से ज्यादा नहीं हो सकती. नेक्स्ट वन, वी विल डिस्कस द ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन. ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन कैन बी डिफाइंड एज द सम ऑफ द पावर ऑफ concentration term in rate law expression of a chemical reaction, that is known as order of reaction. A general reaction N1A plus N2B plus N3C, the formation of product, the rate of reaction will be molar concentration A the power N1, molar concentration B the power N2, and molar concentration C the power N3. Hence the order of reaction according to C.M. Goodberg and P. Wake, the law of mass action, rate of reaction is directly proportional to product of molar concentration of reactant. That is, order will be N1 plus N2 plus N3. This will be the order of reaction. About the order of reaction, it is experimental. Order क्या है? Order of reaction is experimental. ये एक्सपेरिमेंटल से होता है, एक्सपेरिमेंट से पता चलता है. और ये ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन कैन बी क्या हो सकता है? जीरो हो सकता है, नेगेटिव में हो सकता है, फ्रैक्शन हो सकता है, एंड कैन नॉट बी क्या नहीं हो सकता है? इनफाइनाइट एंड इमेजिनरी. नहीं हो सकता है किसी रिएक्शन, ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन. दैट इज द. एंड नेक्स्ट वन, देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन. नंबर 1, वी विल डिस्कस द जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन. A chemical reaction whose rate is independent to the concentration of reactant, that is known as zero order reaction. किसी रिएक्शन में जब किसी जो रिएक्शन का रेट है वो रिएक्टेंट की कंसंट्रेशन पे डिपेंड नहीं करता है तो वो जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन होती है. फॉर एग्जांपल, ए फोटोकेमिकल रिएक्शन H2 plus Cl2 equal to 2HCl in presence of H nu, that is the order of that is a zero order reaction. Next one, a general zero order reaction A equal to P. We know that the rate will be minus dA upon dt equal to K into A the power 0. That is zero order reaction. Hence it becomes dA upon dt will be equal to k. It means if we plot a graph between the rate and the molar concentration of reactant, that is rate and molar concentration reactant, that is the graph is like is obtained. Next one, this is the equation ongoing, that minus molar concentration of A will be equal to K into dt on integration the equation, that is will be minus A will be kt plus c, that is equation, and it is first equation. When t इक्वल टू 0, जब t की वैल्यू हम 0 रखेंगे, then molar concentration of A considered to be A0. Hence, the value will be A0 equal to K into 0 plus C. Hence, the value of C will be minus A0. Now, put the value of C in equation number 1, and it will be equal to minus A equal to Kt minus A0. Hence K into T will be equal to molar concentration of A0 minus A upon T. That is the value, or sorry, that is equal to T, and K will be equal to molar concentration of A minus 0 minus A upon T. That is the equation for the rate constant. That is not the value of Kt, and we know that that is when on completion the reaction, on completion the reaction, A will be equal to 0. Hence K will be A0 upon T, and we know that when T equal to T half, then A0 will be A0 by 2. Hence the equation K will be equal to A0 upon 2T, that is 2T half, or we can say that T half of that reaction will be equal to A0 upon 2K. That is the T half of zero order reaction. We know that putting the graph between T half and initial molar concentration of reactant, the graph will be, that is T half and this A0, and it comes the leaves the straight line. The unit of K will be, for zero order reaction, mole per liter per ton. That is the zero order reaction. Next one, we will discuss the first order reaction. A first order reaction, a chemical reaction whose rate determined by the concentration term of reactant. A chemical reaction whose rate determined by the one concentration term of reactant. ऐसी कोई chemical reaction जिसका रेट केवल reactant की इकाई यूनिट मीन्स 1 मोलर कंसंट्रेशन पर डिपेंड करता है, डायरेक्टली उस पर डिटरमाइंड होता है, दैट इज नोन एज जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन. एंड द एग्जांपल ऑफ जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन, हाइड्रोलाइसिस ऑफ sugar in presence of acid and gives glucose and fructose. That is glucose and fructose. That is the example of first order reaction, because rate is directly proportional to molar concentration of C12H22O11 only. Hence, the general equation for first order reaction is A equal to product. When T equal to 0, that is only A mole of reactant and there is no product. When T equal to T time A minus X mole decreases, molar concentration decreases from A, and the rate will be of this reaction dx upon dt equal to K into the molar concentration of A minus X. That is the, because if we put a graph between the rate of first order reaction and the concentration, molar concentration, it will give the straight line, molar concentration of reactant. That is the straight line. When we know that the dx upon A minus X will be equal to K into dt. That is, and on taking integration of this reaction, it will be dx upon A minus X K into dt, taking the integration, and the integration becomes log minus log E A minus X equal to KT plus C. That is the equation first. Now we will solve this equation. For first order, we know that when T equal to 0, hence the value of X will be 0. Hence this will be minus log E A minus 0 equal to K into 0 plus C. Hence the value of C will be minus log E A. That is the value of C. Now put the value of C in equation number first. Hence it will be minus log E A minus X and K into T minus log EA. Hence KT will be log E A minus log E A minus X. That is will be K into 1 upon T, and log is the common, taking the common, and A upon A minus X. When we take the value of log E with respect to log 10, it will becomes 2.303 upon T log 10 A upon A minus X. That is the formula of rate constant for the first order reaction. We know that if taken T equal to T half, जब T बराबर T half होगा, then X will be A by 2. Hence the value will be K equal to 2.303 upon T log 10 A upon A minus A by 2, and it will be 2.303 upon T log 10 2, और log 10 के रेस्पेक्ट में जो 2 की वैल्यू होती है उसको हम यहाँ लिख देते हैं, log 10 2 will be 0.3010. 0.3010. Hence the value of K will be 2.303 upon T into 0.3010, and it becomes 0.6932 upon T. Half, and that is a and taking the value of that is also T half, and it becomes K equal to 0.6932 upon T half. That is the value. From this equation it is clear that T half does not depend upon the initial concentration. जो T half है फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन के लिए, वो किस पे डिपेंड नहीं कर रहा है, इनिशियल कंसंट्रेशन पे डिपेंड नहीं कर रहा है. इसलिए यदि हम एक ग्राफ खींचते हैं फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन के लिए, इसमें T हाफ में और इनिशियल कंसंट्रेशन, तो या हम ये कहें कि जो इनिशियल कंसंट्रेशन है या कंसंट्रेशन के बीच में हम एक ग्राफ प्लॉट करते हैं, दैट इज गिव द सच टाइप ऑफ लाइन. मींस टी हाफ किस पे डिपेंड नहीं कर रहा है, इनिशियल कंसंट्रेशन पे डिपेंड नहीं कर रहा है. दिस इज द molecularity of reaction. How to find the molecularity of reaction? Order of reaction, there is zero order and first order reaction, and for their integrated rate expressions for the reactions and We will discuss the next topic in next time.